Want to know how to repeat the previous effect or any previous effect changes that you had taken place in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply import any track that you like and make sure you first up add any effect to your audio first. If you have no effects on your audio or if it's your fresh track, you can't do it. So once you have added effect, in order to add the effect again, you can just simply drag the certain part of the audio or double click to select the entire audio. And now once you've done that, just simply head towards effect right here. And here right under get AI effects, here you should be seeing repeat loudness normalization. So you can just simply select it, or you can just simply type in Ctrl+R as well. And now once that is done, the effect should be added automatically, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.